Hey friends, so this is my X type leather strap, okay, which has got damaged because of rain and heat and over a use of like more than 1.5 years. So I have removed it. Now I will replace it with another tan one, okay, which I have made from my own using an old leather belt, okay. So what I will do is I will cut in the same proportions as you see, and we will have the perforation intact from the belt. Okay, so let's start it. So I cut this in a same size by measurement and put the metal button in the center to give it the original look. Okay, so I have cut it with my own scissors. Okay, you can buy a new one from Road Religion or Trip Machine also. This time I thought let's give it a try for the DIY. Okay, so now let's go ahead and fix this on the motorcycle. Okay, with Fevikwik. So here I have fixed that with the Fevikwik gel. Okay, gel is better to use rather than the plain Fevikwik. Also, you can see that I have pasted on the original marks, as well as I have put the button in the center also, which was there in the old X strip, the black one. So now, even though it looks tan, okay, but in the night it will give you the feeling of black strip only, like this. So when I turn on the switch, you see it looks dark. Okay, so anybody looking from side or in the rear view mirror, they would look. So now I have turned on the engine. Now you can see the full light. The perforation looks good. Okay, the holes, the light comes from the hole. It gives a very classic look. Okay, this dates back to 70s when cafe racers used to tie their headlights with the leather strap, so that when it, even if it breaks in case of a mishap, then it won't splatter here and there the glass. So that's why this fashion came into place, and Ducati has made it standard in their motorcycles, Ducati Scrambler. So here I have put the leather strap, I have replaced it. Now let's see how it will last. Okay, the quality of the leather is not that very good. Okay, now you see I have a small pilot lamp which is like the old bullets as well, the classic. They have two pilot lamps, but I just have one. Okay, so which I could install because of one single USB, and it looks, I mean, I like the look. Okay, it is, looks are subjective totally, I get it. Okay, some people don't like this, but I love the way it looks. Okay, now let's say if somebody looks in the rear view mirror, okay, which bike is coming, so they should look like this, they should view the bike like this. Okay, thank you.